Hi there. I'm sure you've heard by now that storytelling is the best way to spur people to action and make your ideas memorable. Why? Because it provides opportunities to influence, humanizes your data and insights, and helps address audience care-abouts. Yet day to day, when it comes to crafting business communications, we're short on time. So we cobble together borrowed slides or send emails that don't generate results. They're packed with data, vague headlines, and poor visuals, which makes it difficult to understand what do you want your audience to know or do with the information. So how do we get talented people like ourselves to change this inefficient behavior? Introducing Crafting Strategic Visual Stories, a business storytelling workshop for teams. Whether you're giving a product update or a customer pitch or the dreaded 5-minute summary to an executive, we will help you turn your insights, data, and recommendations into a compelling audience-centric narrative. By the end of the workshop, you'll be able to transform messages into business narratives that drive action, elevate the meaning behind your data, and create a common language for your team. Plus, you'll transform your own business communication during class, receive peer and expert coaching, as well as ongoing reinforcement tools and checklists to ensure behavior change. And if you're short on time, we've got you covered. We offer on-site, virtual, and digital training to fit your busy schedule. Interested? Get in touch to learn more about how our corporate storytelling workshop transforms teams and helps advance careers. We'll talk soon.